Welcome back. Goa produced a powerful display to beat Kerala 4-1 and stormed into the final of 36 Sub-Junior National Football Championship at Banauli on Saturday. Goa will meet Jharkhand in the final on Tuesday. Jharkhand defeated Chandigarh by 2 goals in the other semi-final at Kunkoling ground.
Okay, but today's match, the boys have played an excellent game, and they have played according to our plan. And today, really, the boys have played a good game, and I want to give all the credit to my boys. And now, we will consider for the final match.
Government College from Quepem and SS Dempo College from Panaji have won the men's and women's inter-college hockey championships. The annual tournaments organized by Goa University came to a conclusion at University ground on Friday evening. According to the students, the state has to develop good quality infrastructure if the standard of hockey needs to improve.
In the boys' finals, Quepem College defeated Father Agnel College from Pilar by 2 goals. Captain Sagun Gaonkar scored the first goal and Navin Gaonkar struck the second to trigger celebrations in the Quepem camp.
Firstly, we have to construct the turf, then we can improve our Goa team.
आमकां facilities ना आमकां ground improvement जाय ball right जाता.
In the women's finals, Dempo College played well to overcome St. Xavier's College from Mapsa by a solitary goal. Kavita Shetty's goal in the last quarter gave Dempos a well-deserved victory. Earlier in the semi-finals, Dempo College defeated Rosary College 1-0 and St. Xavier's College had beaten Government College Khandola by a solitary goal.
Of hockey in Goa, I think there should be more better facilities available for us, and most of all we require more higher levels of matches and games with, like, say, other states in Goa.
We should get more players. In a sense, the first thing is infrastructure, a proper ground. In the years to come, maybe the turf also should be there in Goa for us to improve.
Video journalist Nawaz Sheikh from Goa University ground, Talegaon.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.